Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini as a voice assistant. First, make sure you have the Gemini app installed on your smartphone or tablet. Open the app and navigate to its settings. You'll need to grant microphone access and enable notifications for the best experience. Finally, activate the Hey Google or OK Google hot word detection so Gemini can respond to your voice commands hands-free. This setup ensures seamless interaction. Once set up, interacting with Gemini is straightforward. Simply say, "Hey Google," or tap the microphone icon within the app to activate it. Then speak your question or command clearly and naturally. For example, you can ask about the weather, set a reminder, or get directions. Gemini will process your request quickly and provide an audible response, often displaying relevant information on your screen too. Gemini offers more than just basic commands. You can engage in follow-up conversations, asking related questions without repeating the hot word. It also integrates with many smart home devices, allowing you to control lights or thermostats with your voice. Explore the settings to customize Gemini's voice, language, and even its personality to better suit your preferences. This personalization enhances your overall experience. If Gemini isn't responding, first check your internet connection. A stable network is crucial. Also, ensure your app is updated to the latest version for bug fixes and new features. Sometimes, restarting your device can resolve minor glitches. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Gemini is a powerful tool, and with these tips, you'll master it in no time. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.